Congratulations on the 3 points. It's nice to get off to a good start. Did you think the boys did well not to get dragged into that physical aspect of the game?
Yeah, I think we talk a lot about when you come to places like this where, they're fired up, and there's always that added extra of a lot of the boys that are playing for Buckley used to be at Airbus or have been at Airbus in the past, so it can be a little bit personal for them. So we talk about managing your emotions in these games, and I think the lads were brilliant. I thought they stood up to the fight. They had to. You have to head the ball against these. You have to be strong, and they are willing runners in the team. I thought we stood up to that really well, and probably for the first time since I've been here, we've come away with a clean sheet. So yeah, really happy. Really
George
pleased.
Piers has started the pre-season quite well, and he's carried that form on into this game.
Yeah, he's carried on from last season. Really, the whole of last season he was excellent. We spoke early on last season about consistency with George, and now he is consistent. And you can see he's really enjoying his football out there. He's got a smile on his face. He's scoring goals, and he's a massive player for us, and really, really important, not just on the pitch but in the dressing room as well. So
we speak to Skip about the squad, and today we've had quite a few missing. So for us to come away with 3 points today must be pleasing. Yeah,
I'm always pleased with 3 points, especially on the opening day of the season. Yeah. But, there's a lot of players that are missing, but we've got a good squad, and we've got a great academy. Something that I've been involved in for a long, long time, and something I'm really proud of at the football club is the academy. And it shows there the boys you bring on at the end, the eye in there to come on and from the academy, and does really well, and it causes a threat. He's not just someone that's going to come on this season. He's going to have a big part of the season. I think a lot of the young boys are really close at this moment in time. So yeah,
we take a break and it's into cup action. We've got TNS again. I can't really say how do you approach this game, because obviously you should know now. Yeah,
listen. TNS are the best team in Welsh football. They have been for a number of years. But it, from a coach's point of view, it's good to test yourselves against these coaches, and they're doing really well. They've got a tough one in Europe leading up to it. So obviously wish them all the best in that. And we'll do our best. We'll go away to TNS and do our best, and that's all we can do.
Yeah, enjoy the 3 points.
Thank you very much.